an ancient 10-minute sequence to support natural aging by influencing how we age. Breaking down Sun Salutation, not as a spiritual ritual or a simple warm-up, but as a structured sequence of breath and spinal motion that affects multiple physiological systems at once. As we age, at least 3 processes impact us negatively. First, telomere maintenance becomes less favorable, especially under chronic stress and elevated cortisol. Second, intervertebral discs gradually lose hydration and resilience, reducing shock absorption and mechanical efficiency. Third, cerebrospinal fluid and glymphatic function become inefficient with age, sleep disruption, and reduced spinal mobility. All these are interconnected. Reduced spinal motion affects mechanical fluid dynamics. Poor recovery and impaired clearance contribute to a higher inflammatory load. Chronic stress biology influences cellular repair pathways. These are parts of an interacting loop. That's what makes Sun Salutation interesting. When performed slowly with synchronized breathing, it combines thoracic expansion, spinal flexion and extension, isometric loading, decompression, partial inversion, and autonomic regulation. In other words, it acts as a coordinated mechanical and respiratory sequence. The sequence can be understood as 6 functional pairs. The opening positions establish posture and breathing rhythm. Flexion-extension transitions may help create alternating pressure along the spine and surrounding tissues. The bracing phases load the trunk and fascial structures. The extension to inversion phases may influence circulation, venous return, and fluid distribution. And because the sequence repeats, these effects are not isolated to one posture, but integrated across the full cycle. To be clear, this does not mean Sun Salutation has been proven to reverse 10 years of aging, regenerate damaged tissue on command, or replace medical care. What it does suggest is that a well-structured Sun Salutation positively influences several biomarkers and physiological processes linked to healthy aging. The most important variable is the breath synchronization. Inhale during extension. Exhale during flexion. That pattern helps organize trunk pressure, pacing, and autonomic response. If the movement becomes rushed or disconnected from breathing, the sequence may still provide general exercise benefits, but the integrated physiological effect is likely reduced. Real value of this repeatable sequence combining breath, spinal motion, and pressure changes is in slow, consistent control, and your body will respond well with measurable improvements. 4 slow rounds, about 10 minutes, done consistently. Meaningful daily input into how well the body maintains itself over time.